buksan yung mga bagay na hindi dapat na ano. Mga ganun.
Naisip mo lang yun, ka? Ano sabi ng mga ganun, wala. Kailangan gawin, isipin natin. Positive din ka ganun.
Lalit mayaman yung mga kain. Makakalawan mo siya, di ba?
Ano pa ba sa mo? Bago lang yan?
Ilang ano na yun? Kaya binili nito yun.
Parang asa bumili yung cellphone mo?
Hindi nga lang nagtagal eh. Binili niya yun at itong year lang na to eh.
Oo, isang taon ba? Sayang.
Siguro nasa 6 months na yung cellphone niya.
Ano nagtatagal sa cellphone ko eh. Pero kapag may bago, ayun, dapat ano ipapalitan ko, diba? Pero sakit pa yung luma.
Wala pang wala pang ayun na pa. Pagkatapos ng New Year niya binili yun.
Sigurado ba hindi na yata babalik yung lalaki din.
Ang cellphone ko? Sabi, nagbiyahe na daw papunta ng probinsya. Pinuntahan namin sa kanila kahapon.
Kaya saan yun?
Taga Puro sa ano na.
Give me more coffee.
Saan yung probinsya nila?
Hindi ko alam. Pero sabi naman nung nadaanan ko nang bago pumasok, lumabas daw. Kakauwi lang.
Mag-gabi? Gusto ka ba pupasok? Nag-extra ka rin? Nag-extra ka?
Hindi man nga. Nangyayang pagkaan sa kapitbahay. Eh, yung kwarto ko doon, may kaanib na ano yung pamilya. Isang pamilya. May mga anak din, maliliit. Wala na siyang century to.
Ginawa niyang ano eh. Pagkalaman siya tinapin.
Naglaki nga ako dito eh. We buy eggplant and eggs.
Okay.
And then I took, eggplant.
You have egg. You have eggplant. You want?
Nothing eggs.
You want more? More eggplant? More eggplant.
Dalawa lang. Ha? Hindi ko alam na nandito ka kasi eh. I told to my neighbor, give me 2 eggplant. And my boss, favorite that I cook when I already there. Bagay na ako. Sabi niya, wala tayo ulam, te. Kaya mo na. Mauulam yun.
What are you gonna do with the junk there
Where?
in the corner?
I bring to the house.
I almost threw it out. I almost threw away.
Sayang.
I don't hear from you 2 weeks.
Because I'm finding my phone.
You don't find your phone.
I always finding my phone.
Where is now? You gonna get it back or you won't get back?
The family of that man and that girl, they tell that they not going back home and then they go to the province. But the other said they saw that boy and that girl only nighttime outside, go outside.
You don't think you'll get your phone back?
I will get it back no matter what happened, Jay. I love that cellphone kasi. Kasi yun ang pinapatagal ng cellphone na binili niya pa yun eh. Sabay pa. Naunang nawala yung kanya, di ba? Yung Infinix.
Kasi, ingatan mo.
0 yung nawala niya.
Bago lang yung lalaking di ba?
Pag hindi ko talaga yun na yan, ipapaano ko talaga yung kuha ko apil-apil. Tapos pupunta ako SM, papalak ko talaga yung cellphone. Tinan mo. Sabay ko na yung kanya. Kuha ko rin yung apil-apil. Tapos papalak ko rin yung cellphone niya. That Infinix, di ba? Infinix Zero. I will go to the get some apil-apil plus. And I go to the SM and then that cellphone, the two cellphone, di ba, we buy.
Ano yung ano sa tatak mo?
I will ask if they can lock it up.
They can't lock it up.
Saka sa Infinix mo, binili ko. Binili ko sa tot, Infinix din. Tapos naka ng promo.
Go to the pawn shop. I think it's booth 69, around 69 on Fields Ave. They sell the used phones.
And then?
Maybe the phones are there. Your phone.
My phone, I feel ba? Still in there. Because the
The Infinix. The Infinix.
the Infinix, maybe.
I buy.
Mahal yun higit 20 million. More than
Kasi brand niya
20,000.
kasi bagong labas na.
Sabi ko nga, magbabayad siya ng 5,000 sa if the cellphone back.
It's a good career.
Saka sa babae.
It's a good career or a side business to steal the phones. You can make a lot of money stealing the phones.
If buy and sell the
Yeah,
second
buy
hand
and
phone.
steal. Steal and sell.
Where? Why is
Steal and
stealing
sell.
and then selling?
They're criminals. Not nice people.
But they can detect it because if
They
it will
can't
have
They can't detect.
the password
Who's gonna detect? Who
Will lock.
cares?
pagka
Who
ipinili
cares?
mo buksan.
Who cares if your phone gets stolen? I
You
only
know why?
care.
No, I care also.
I care if it's. I know the people, but I tell a stranger find my phone. How are they gonna find my phone? Who am I gonna call?
Because they don't know the what the picture or the kind of cell phone.
Sino kumuha yung babae?
Babae, yan nga. And then they said you get the phone, the two phone of them. Where is the two phone?
Which two phone? The one I
The-
buy on Lazada?
No, the girl.
Which girl?
Diba? When your phone is lost, you get the phone of that girl, who's
Oh, they're no good.
where?
I throw away. One I give away. One I throw away.
Ano sila yung babae yun?
Why you maybe that phone is also snatched, not sell, not buying.
Of course, they're all stolen phones.
Why you giving to the others?
Because they're no good. They're junk. They're junk.
Ala na rin pala yung cellphone na yun.
Galing.
Kasi yun, mahalan mo kung saan banda sila Diba?
Eh, paano kung nabenta na? Binenta sa iba. Diba?
Alin?
Sa cellphone.
Ano pa yung cellphone na hawak niya? Nandun pa yung account ng
Dahil mga binenta rin sa iba.
yung cellphone niya.
Oo, nabinta ko.
Malalaman yun kasi nga, wala naman magbebenta ng cellphone na ganun kamahal dyan ng ganung presyo.
Siyempre, bumurahin na. Parang dati mabenta. So, nawala ka siya.
Ikaw, mabibenta mo ba ng 5,000 agad yun? Ng 5,000 agad yun? Hindi, di ba?
Magagamit.
Siya, siya reward ng 5,000, mabalik lang yung cellphone. Natural, pag may nagbenta ng Infinix na 0, tapos ng mas mura doon, mas pipiliin nila yung 5,000 na reward.
How you like Samsung? How you like that Samsung?
I like Samsung.
They say that's the best.
At the first, when I first learn how to use cellphone, I use cellphone Samsung.
They say Samsung is the leader.
Samsung tsaka LG, no?
They have a low price Samsung, 5-6K.
Yes, before, LG and Samsung was the most,
Ano yung babae din?
Talaga nga.
Di ba naman naka-calls talaga?
No. Di ba pa nagpupunta ako dyan sa may banda doon? Yun yung dahilan din, nakikibalita ako. Siyempre, nagaganon yun eh. Malamang sa ganyan nila ibibenta yun.
Ano lang yung account niya, di ba? Nakagamitin.
Yung account niya, pero malamang yun, reformat na yun. Kasi wala naman yata nag-ano sa account niya eh. So kasi, ibinigay, why you giving the cell phone they use?
I'm trying to get rid of all the junk here. We have too much junk.
Bakit din naman dito yung babae wala ka, no?
Gustong-gusto niya yun.
Yung babae niya?
He like that so much that girl.
Ulit ano?
Hindi naman. Mahaba yung buhok na ito, kulay itim.
Tapos, nataka.
Kaisa lang, tapos may boyfriend na tomboy. The lesbian.
Tapos, ilang taon ba yung anong babae?
How old is she?
Oh,
Shania.
I don't know, 26 maybe.
No, hindi ko pa nakalimutan ang pangalan.
Tsura. May pagka.
Yung tricycle driver nga eh. Sabi ko sa kanya pag may balita siya doon sa cellphone. Sabi niya sa akin, may reward nga na 5,000 ito.
What's that?
Sanaya. Maliit lang.
Hindi, kasi tangkad ko siguro. Look at your short and brief. I will put in the cabinet, ha?
Where's the for the camera? Oh, I see. You know everything. You know where everything is.
Wala yung mga ganyan.
No?
Alin? Huwag mo pila ng ganito.
Hmm?
Yung cream, maganda. Why you buy chocolate and why you give me 1 pieces?
Ano pa yung ano ba?
Do you like?
No, thank you.
Why you like this?
I like the other one better.
The cream,
Yeah, that's like a scooter pie in America. We have scooter pie. Just like a scooter pie. That's too sweet, that one. I like the scooter pie.
Fine.
What you call it? Chocolo?
Chocolate.
No, the cake. What's it called? Choco?
Oy! Jay,
Donut.
you buy red ribbon. The chocolate, the red forest.
Red Forest? What?
Chocolate.
It's a candy bar? Red Forest?
The cake.
The cake? A Red Forest cake?
Mm.
Was it your birthday?
No, wait. Your birthday. Together.
Why you want cake?
I don't know.
So, pagkasama tayo tatlo, no?
You want a sweet? You want sweets? Yeah.
Yes, because no one's sweet with me.
No one's sweet with you.
I always speak cold.
You stay home. No one's sweet with you.
Ano ba yung parang ako lang yung nag-isa doon sa bahay, parang ako lang I'm alone lang always. And then sometimes they tell when I'm sleeping, I'm fighting. Oo, parang yun, may lalapit when
Yeah,
someone
same as me. Same as me.
ano daw yung tulog ako, nakikipagsuntok ka daw akong ganyan. Nanununtok ka daw ako. Ang
Hindi mo
gara,
alam
diba?
na-
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.